Hello guys! Today I'm going to be doing another tablet review. I'm going to be reviewing the Voila L tablet from VEIKK. Let's play the unboxing, yippee! We got a glove, actually fits my hand almost perfectly. We got the tablet, it has these cool clicky keys and they're so satisfying to press. The tablet also has a little zoom wheel, but you can change its function. Got the cord for the tablet, new keys in case you need to replace them, a USB adapter to hook it up to your phone or tablet, some extra pen nibs, a quick start guide, as well as the pen in the pen case. The pen is really light and comfortable to hold. It's also battery free. The driver is on their website and easy to install. You can customize the pen pressure as well as any keybinds for the keys or pen on there. The tablet works awesome on my PC. I love the pen pressure and how the keys sound when I remember to use them. I used this tablet to make my new YouTube short, which I'll play at the end of this video. Sometimes while using it, the pen would freeze and I'd have to press down on the tip of it, but it wasn't a big deal, and I got used to it. I also tried the tablet on my phone. It worked really well. The pen pressure was nice and it was smooth to draw with. I usually don't draw on my phone, so using this tablet made it a lot funner and easier. Overall, I really like this tablet and I'd recommend it to anyone who would be interested in buying it. Thank you again to VEIKK for sending me this tablet to review.